Hi everyone. Welcome back to AppMelodies, your home for beginner-friendly, creative, and powerful app and game development tutorials. In this video, we will build an irresistible swipe puzzle game using only Flutter and Dart. It is called Hyper Swipe Puzzle, and it is designed to work on Android, iOS, and web with no assets or complex packages needed. It is clean, fast, and perfect for both beginners and intermediate Flutter developers. And yes, you will get the entire source code in the blog post on AppMelodies.com. Let's jump in. Step-by-step guide for beginners. Step 1. Set up Flutter. Make sure you have Flutter installed. If not, go to flutter.dev and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type Flutter Doctor. Make sure everything is set up correctly. Step 2. Create a new Flutter project. Open Android Studio or Visual Studio Code. Create a new Flutter project. Name it Hyper Swipe Puzzle. Enable Android, iOS, and web support. Choose Kotlin for Android and Swift for iOS. Wait for the project to initialize completely. Step 3. Update pubspec.yaml. Open the file called pubspec.yaml. Replace its content with the code provided in the blog. This file manages your dependencies and project metadata. Click pub-get or save the file to apply changes. Step 4. Replace main.dart. Go to the lib folder and open main.dart. Delete everything in the file and paste the full game code from the blog. This code includes the splash screen, game over screen, swipe gestures, animations, and logic. Step 5. Run the project. Select a device or emulator. Click the Run button. Your app will launch. You will first see the splash screen and then the swipe puzzle game. Bonus tips. You can customize the game design, grid size, and even add background music. You can also build and publish it on the Play Store or App Store. What you will learn. Gesture control in Flutter. GridView layouts. Timers and animations. Game state management. Clean UI and beginner-friendly Flutter code. Everything done inside one file. Get the full code and tutorial on AppMelodies.com. If you found this helpful, please like this video. Subscribe to our channel AppMelodies. Tap the bell icon for future updates. And share your idea for the next app or game in the comments. We may build it next. Thanks for watching. Happy coding. See you in the next one.